It is that, as a lawyer, he has raised a issue. One of the latest issue is that on the custodial deaths, where the police have committed a brutal custodial death in the police station, in Mantri police station. And the situation was such a pathetic that even the family members of the deceased, because they belongs to the Dalit family, they could not come forward. And these young lawyers, Vaman Rao and his wife has come forward and sent a application to the High Court, and High Court has taken it as a suo motu, and that is the where the police have developed a grudge against the both of them. And there was also serious threat to their life also, and that was also reported to the police. They said Telangana people, Telangana lawyers know very well that how the police modus operandi, how they attack the lawyers, how they try to suppress the lawyers. Free practice, we have a right to practice, we have a very right to take up any cases, because our act will give us that inherent power. So what we say today is that to get justice, we all stood together, and absolutely this movement will not stop here. Okay. This agenda we will take further. It will start from Hyderabad, it will spread to entire Telangana state, it will also spread even to the entire other states also, it may go to even to the Delhi level. Because lawyers are...
So how far are you going to fight? What is that you're demanding from the government at this point of time?
At this point, we have two important aspects. Immediately, we need a justice for the brutality committed by those who are behind this. That is number one. Number two is, these incidents are one after another is being taking place. We need a larger protection. The doctors are given such a protection, and very other institutions. Unfortunately, this government, I wanted to just recall you, lawyers played a predominant role in getting the realization of the state of Telangana, but till today, the majority of the lawyers are deprived. Even much before the Telangana, lawyers were very happy. After getting Telangana, the lawyers are being subjected to deprivation of lot of rights. So our agenda is that we need a larger protection. Legislation is required. Lawyers, I said that lawyers are human rights defenders. They need a special legislation. There must be an agency which should immediately address to our grievances. That is another aspect which we wanted to demand it. Now, another thing is that now Vaman Rao and their family, they would also get the threat. Their family immediately, the state has to provide a protection to that family. And apart from that, what we demand is that immediately independent investigation is required in this, because we don't believe Telangana police, because there are serious allegations against them before the death also. CBI is the appropriate, because whether the High Court will entrust the CBI or not, we don't know, but we all are together that this matter should be given to the CBI.
Today you boycotted your duties. So tomorrow, will it be, back to normal, or are you planning something else? Will there be agitations? Because, like you rightly mentioned, when Telangana separate state, struggle was going on, it was actually the advocates, the lawyer community that came forward and took the fight to the next level. I mean, you actually should take a lot of credit for formation of a separate Telangana state. But when it comes to your own lives, your lives are at threat. We saw what happened yesterday. So how do you plan to fight?
You see, boycott is one of the forms of protest. Absolutely. There is no straitjacket formula. Tomorrow, tomorrow of course we have already given a call for tomorrow also boycott. If the state or the agencies which are bound to do an effective and fair investigation fails, we will not yield to that. We will also go ahead with our different forms of protest. We will also go to the Raj. There are different calls. Now we need not disclose. We collectively sit together and we'll plan for action and we'll proceed. But the movement will alive. We will take further, and until we will succeed in our agenda.
Okay.